Hello and welcome to Legal Territory. So today in the difference between series, I'll be explaining the difference between evidence, testimony and proof because most of the time these words are used interchangeably and evidence, testimony and proof are different, and I have provided a small diagram to explain the situation here. So evidence is something bigger than testimony. Evidence is a larger part and testimony is just a small part of evidence. Evidences, according to the Evidence Act, are of two types: oral evidences and documentary evidences. The oral evidence is testimony, which has been given by a witness, and documentary evidence includes public and private documents. So this could be any kind of documents. However, this definition is lacking because it does not include the evidences like weapon or something spoken out of the court. Since Section 3 is an interpretation clause, will include various other evidences in the definition as well. However, broadly classifying the evidences are of two types: oral and documentary. And proof is something which is the result of evidence. So if someone has given a testimony, its result will be the proof of some sort of fact or statement. If someone has given a documentary evidence, then the result will be proof again. So something will be proved by those documents. So proof is the ultimate result. Testimony is just the part of evidence, and evidence is something which leads to or proves something. So is the statement, gesture that proves something. That is evidence. And concluding this video, if you like this video and find it useful, for more such series, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you guys.